Alright guys, so here I have VOODOO13 arms. We're gonna go ahead and make an unboxing of them. I have tow arms, control arms, and the traction arms. And just want to add that I did get a new set of bender pliers. The old way that I was doing them wasn't really working out. These I saw them from Eastwood, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. So what I saw, they make gorgeous bends and really tight without kinking or destroying the actual pipe of the brake line. So I'll make another video when I start using these. Alright, let's get to it. First box. And these are traction arms. Let me go ahead and move this box. Let me grab my pocket knife. Ooh. These are gorgeous. Ooh, very nice. It's kind of new to me. I've never had bolt-on products. And now that I'm gonna have a S13 subframe, I have bolt-on, which kind of makes me happy because I've never had a bolt-on. So these are the traction arms. Let me go ahead and keep opening the other one. Here's, I don't know if you could really see that. I gotta focus the camera. But let me go ahead and open the next one. Let me close this up. These are the rear tow arms. Ooh. The welds on these things look amazing. There you go. Really, really nice. I don't know if you can really see them on camera, but holy hell, these things are amazing. CNC, you can still see the marks when it was being drilled down. This is gonna be a sick ass build. I'm like overly excited. I'm kind of speechless right now because again, I've never had bolt-on. This is new to me. I'm gonna have maybe baby amount of camber in the rear just to have the wheels tucking just a little bit. Or not tucking, but have the tire tucking. Still have a little bit of poke. But damn. Thank you, VOODOO13. These products are amazing. Thanks for the love, the comments. Don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And for those of you that don't know, if you go down in the description, there is a link towards stickers, shirts, sweaters, and anything help, guys. So if you guys want to support the channel, support the build, all profits go directly to products like this, products towards the truck, products towards you guys, for you guys to have more things out there. And who knows, maybe if I sell enough shirts or I get enough subscribers, I'll do a giveaway. Who knows what it could be? It could be $100. It could be a Starbucks gift card. Or I don't know. I'll think of something. But thank you guys for those that have stuck around from the very beginning. I am very humble that you guys stayed around, and I'm glad that you guys got to see the truck evolve. Like, comment, subscribe.